Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save your TikTok draft without posting. Sometimes you go on TikTok to use the effect, the filters, the transition and every other thing, not just to post it. We just want to go on TikTok and make a video and save it to our phone without posting it. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do that. You can make videos on TikTok without posting it. You'll be able to save your draft to your phone directly. You'll be able to save it to your gallery. So guys, want to know how to do it? Make sure you follow me to the end of this video, and also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step you have to take is to tap on your TikTok app to open it. Tap on it. So guys, sorry for that, I had to reduce the volume. First of all, if you want to upload the video, you tap on the plus icon there, you can see it there. Tap on it. So guys, here you can either tap on the upload button to choose a video from your gallery, or you can tap on the record button to record the video. So I'm going to tap on the record button so that I can record the remote. So guys, let me go ahead to record my TV remote, then I'll hold on the record button and see I'm recording my video. I'm recording the remote. I'm zooming in and zooming out. So guys, you can see the video I just recorded, the zooming in and the zooming out. Once you're done recording your video, you tap on next. So let me tap on next. So guys, this is where the magic is going to happen. This is where I'm going to show you guys the two ways that you can actually save your TikTok draft without posting it. The first method is you have to tap on the video that you see there where it is written select cover. You tap on the video. So guys, you can see that in this video now we have so many features here. We have our profile icon, we have the love icon, the comment icon, the share icon, and also the description. For you to remove this that is around the video, what you have to do is to tap on the icon at the top, tap on the zoom icon. So guys, you can see now the features around the video is out. So guys, what you have to do next now is to screen record this video. And for you to screen record this video, you have to go over to your screen record option in your phone. Let me screen record mine. What I have to do is to tap on my power button and my up volume button to be able to screen record. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see I've turned on my screen record. You can see it at the top. The video is recording. So guys, once you're done screen recording the video, this video is going to be captured and saved into your gallery. In other words, you're having your video in your phone gallery without posting it. You're saving your drafts to your gallery. So guys, the only disadvantage is that this post option you can see below, this post icon will be in the video. So guys, you don't have to worry about that. What you have to do is to go to your video editor, whatever editor you have in your phone, just use it to remove that part out, cut it out, and you can have your video in your gallery without posting it. So guys, the second method that you can actually use to save your TikTok draft without posting it is just tap on the more option. You can see more option there. You tap on it, then you scroll downwards. What you have to make sure is that you have to make sure that that save to device is toggled on. You can see there mine is toggled on. Let me show you what I mean. Make sure you toggle it on. As you can see, I'm toggling it off and off at the same time, but make sure yours is toggled on so that when you upload a video, it's going to be saved into your phone. So guys, the next thing that you need to do, where it is written everyone can view, tap on it. You have to set this to only you. Make sure that only you can view this post when you post the video. Remove it from everyone and put it on only you. So let me tap on only you. What this means is that when you upload this video on TikTok, it will be up on TikTok, but only you will be able to see the video. Your TikTok friends, your TikTok followers, everyone on TikTok will not be able to see it. It's going to be in your private section. So guys, you can see we have taken two steps to toggle on the save video option to our phone, and also to go to our privacy setting to put it on only me. So guys, once you're done setting this, you tap on post. So let me tap on post. So guys, as you can see, our video is uploading 99%, 100% uploaded. So guys, what you have to do is to go over to your phone gallery and check out for the video. But before we do that, let's go over to our TikTok profile to see if that video we uploaded is here. So guys, you can see now the video is not here. You can only find it on your private section. So let's tap on our private section. Look at it there. Tap on it. So guys, you can see this is the video that we just uploaded. It's only here, only you can actually see it. It's in your private section, only you can see this video. So you can go ahead to delete it if you want to, but let's go over to our gallery now to find the video. So let's tap on our gallery, and let's go to our album, then tap on camera, then tap on the video. So guys, you can see the video here. This is the video we just downloaded. So this is the second way you can actually save your TikTok draft to your phone without posting it. So guys, you can see now the only disadvantage is that you're going to have this TikTok watermark moving around the video. This is just the disadvantage. The first one has to do with screen recording and saving to your phone. The second one has to do with uploading and putting it on private where only you can see it and it will be saved to your phone. So guys, I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.